You've had an idea for a gadget and wondered if it could actually be built. This is canitbebuilt. Describe your idea, and it hands back an inspection. Canitbebuilt stamps your idea with a one-word verdict in about 2 minutes. Can this be built or not? Then it lists every part inside and its cost, the safety approvals you'd need, and a 3D model. You've got the idea, you just can't tell what's inside it, what it costs, or what rules it faces. Canitbebuilt grades every idea the same way. A toy truck that plays music, buildable with changes, a flying boat, heavy lift, a cognitive load sensor, not viable. You'd think this is just an AI guessing if your idea works. It isn't. Ask a chatbot and you get a different answer every time. Canitbebuilt pins one fast AI answer to a fixed form. The verdict is one of 4 labels, a decision, not a paragraph. The parts list is priced at 100, 1,000, and 10,000 units. Run the same idea twice and the numbers move, but the verdict and the form stay the same. So if anyone can ask the AI, where's the real value? The brains here are a general AI model, but the kind you could ask yourself. What you're really paying for is the packaging, serial numbers, a named inspector, a stamped verdict, and a 3D model you drag to rotate. And every report admits it, calling itself an estimate that may be incomplete, inaccurate, or fabricated. There's a free tier. Your first inspection needs no sign-up, a couple more with your email. But the full report with all the numbers wants a verified email. Anonymous, you still get the verdict and the reasoning. Paid inspections are coming, not yet priced. Canitbebuilt was built by one person, Joe Ginder Tanakella. Your gadget idea, inspected in about 2 minutes. As AI models get better, does the packaging keep its edge, or does a plain chatbot catch up?